Everyone, today we'll talk about how to set or how to add your time local on the application of Trello. We go to Trello. Here we click in this sign. Then we go to settings. After that we click on this window of profile and visibility. Here in this page, as you see, we'll wait a moment until you find the window of Trello. When you find it here, you will go to this window of settings and you click. After that you will click on manage account on the application of Trello. Here in this page you will scrolling down, you will find here local time. You will add your local time. You click here manage your time zone and then you can add it. So please don't forget to support us.